Now here we solve some more question of exercise 3.2. Question number 9. Given that find x and y if 2 into matrix 1 3 0 x plus y 0 1 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8. You know that how to solve this. That means to get the value of x and y. First, get a scalar multiplication of a scalar 2 and this matrix 2 take inside. So 2, 6, 0, 2x, clear? Plus y 0, 1, 2 is equal to given 5, 6, 1, 8. Clear this? Therefore, now take addition of these two matrices. We know that how to get addition of given two matrices. 2 plus y, take addition of corresponding entries. 6 plus 0, that is 6. 0 plus 1, that is 1. 2x plus 2, that is 2x plus 2. Clear? Is equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. Now, two matrices are same. Then corresponding entries are also same. We know that. So 2 plus y is equal to 5. This implies y is equal to become 3. Clear? Here 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. This implies to take this side, so becomes 2x is equal to 6. This implies divide by 2, so we get x is equal to 3. Clear? So value of x is equal to 3. Value of y is equal to 2. Same question given in a 10. 2 into matrix given plus 3 into matrix given is equal to 3 into given matrix. Then find x, y, z and t. Here 2 into x, z, y, t given. 1 minus 1 0 2 and 3 into 3 5 4 6. You know that how to solve this. 2 take inside, 3 take inside, here 3 take inside, take addition of these two matrices, then compare both matrices. We get x, y, z and t. This is clear. Same in 11 given x into matrix 2 3 plus y into matrix minus 1 1 is equal to matrix 10 5. First x take inside, y take inside, take addition of these two matrices, compare with given matrix. We get two equations of x and y. Solving these two equations, we get value of x and y. Now in a 12th given, same question, 3 into matrix is equal to matrix plus second matrix. We know that first we take addition of these two matrices, 3 take inside and compare corresponding entries. We get value of x, y, z. Clear? Now question number 3rd. Question number 13. fx is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. Then verify fx into fy is equal to fx plus y. Here fx into fy is equal to, fx is equal to, we have cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. And what you say about this fy? Replacing x by y, we get a fy. Cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Now you know that about a matrix multiplication, first row, first column gives a first entry, cos x, cos y, product of corresponding entries, plus minus sin x, sin y, that becomes a minus sin x, sin y. Clear? 0 into 0, that is a 0. First row, second column gives second entries, cos x minus sin y become minus cos x sin y, minus sin x into cos y becomes minus sin x cos y. Clear? Now first row, last column, third column becomes third entry of first row. Cos x into 0 becomes 0, minus sin x into become 0, and the 0 into 1, that is a 0. So last entry become 0. Similarly, second row, first column gives a first entries of second row. Sin x into cos y becomes sin x cos y, cos x into sin y, that is a cos x into sin y, then sin x, here last is a 0 into 0, that is 0. Now second row, second column gives second entry, sin x into minus sin y becomes minus sin x sin y, cos x into cos y plus cos x into cos y. Clear? Last 0 into 0, that is a 0. Similarly, last third row into first column, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0 into cos y, 0, 0 into sin y, 0, and 1 into 0, that will become 0. Similarly, multiplication of corresponding entries of third row and the second column becomes 0. Here also last becomes a 1. Clear? So is equal to, now simplify this. So here cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is equal to, we know that formula, this is a cos x plus y, you know formula of cos x plus y, minus take common, so this become cos x sin y minus cos sin x cos y, or sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and this becomes one type of formula of sin x plus y, you know. Clear? Similarly, cos x cos y, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is equal to sin x plus y, and this is a cos x cos y minus sin x sin y becomes cos x plus y. Clear? And remaining entries here 0, 0, in last row 0, 0, 1, and this is a f x plus y. Clear? So f x into f5, fx into f5 is equal to fx plus y. Clear this? Question number 14 given. Show that matrix 5 minus 1 6 7 into 2 1 3 4 not equal to 2 1 3 4 not into 5 minus 1 6 7. First get matrix multiplication of left side 2 matrix and right side 2 matrix and compare both. Same in a question number second given same question. Now most important question, question number 15. Find x square minus 5a plus 6i if a is equal to given matrix. We know that how to find the X square. X square is equal to A into A. So is equal to matrix A is equal to 2 0 1 2 1 3 and 1 minus 1 0. Clear? Into 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. Now get the matrix multiplication of these two matrix. First row, first column, 2 into 2 4, 0 into 2 0, 1 into 1 1, that is plus 1. 2 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Similarly, first row, last column, 2 into 1 2, 0 into 3 0, 1 into 0 0, that is only 2. Same for second entry row, we use this second entry and a difference column. 2 into 2 4, 1 into 2 plus 2, 3 into 1 plus 3, and with second row, second column, 2 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 3 into minus 1 3 minus 3. Now with the last column, 2 into 1 2, 1 into 3 plus 3, 3 into 0, that is 0. Now last row, that is third row, 1 into 2 2, minus 1 into this, that is minus 2, 0 into this, that is 0, and 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into minus 1 becomes plus 1 0. Clear this? Now third row, first column, 1 into 2 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, and the last 0 into 1. Similarly, 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, and 0 into minus 1 become 0, and here 1 into 1 1, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, 0 into 0 0. Now simplify this. Here we get 5 minus 1 2, here 9 minus 2 and 5, here 0 minus 1 and minus 2. Now using X square, A and identity matrix, we get value of this X square minus 5A plus 6A. Therefore X square minus 5A plus 6 into I is equal to, here X square is 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5, and 0 minus 1 minus 2 plus 5 into, that is minus 5 into A. A is a matrix 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0 plus 6 into matrix identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Clear? Plus, so is equal to, now minus 5 take inside, 6 take inside, then take addition of all three matrix and get X square minus 5A plus 6I. Complete yourself. Clear this? In a 16 also same question. For given matrix A is equal to 1 0 2, 0 2 1 and 2 0 3, find A raised to 3 minus 6x square plus 7A minus plus 2I is equal to 0. That is, prove that A raised to 3 minus 6x square plus 7A plus 20I is equal to 0. First get A raised to 3. You know that how to get A raised to 3. First get x square. Then find a raised to 3, that is x square into a. Clear? Now using a raised to 3, x square and a, replacing this in this equation, we get a 0. You know that how to solve this. Just try to solve yourself. Same in equation number 17. If a is equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, find the k if x square is equal to k into a minus 2 into I. First find x square, then k into a minus 2 into this I, and compare both the matrix, get value of a k. Just try to yourself. Question number 18, most important question. Question number 18, most important question. A is equal to matrix 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0, and I is a second order identity matrix. Then show that I plus A is equal to I minus A into this matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. In this case, we take a right hand side and get a left hand side. RHS is equal to, we have I minus A into matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha and the sin alpha cos alpha. I is a second order identity matrix, so 1, 0, 0, 1 minus A is, we have matrix 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0 into matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Clear? So is equal to, now first take addition of given two matrix, taking minus sign inside, that is a subtraction of corresponding entities. 1 minus 0, that is 1, 0 minus this, that is a tan alpha by 2 plus sign, 0 minus this, that is minus tan alpha by 2, 1 minus 0, that is a 1. Clear? Into parallel to this, in second entries, in a second matrix, given cos alpha sin alpha, change into half angle formula of tan, into form of a tan. Cos alpha is equal to 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Clear? Similarly, minus sin alpha is equal to 2 tan alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Here 2 tan alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Clear? Cos 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Clear this? Now from second matrix, common term 1 upon 1 plus tan square alpha, take common. So is equal to, we get 1 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Write outside. Clear? Into matrix 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2, 1 into matrix 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 minus 2 tan alpha by 2, here 2 tan alpha by 2, and here 1 minus tan square alpha by 2. Clear this? Now take a metric multiplication of these two matrices. You know that how to get a metric multiplication. 1 into this, that is 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 into tan alpha by 2 into this become 2 tan square alpha by 2. Clear? So here 1 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, that is a 1 upon sec square alpha by 2 into matrix 1. Take here metric multiplication of these two matrices. 1 into this becomes 1 minus tan square alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2 into this becomes 2 tan square alpha by 2. That means becomes 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Clear this? Now first row second columns, 1 into minus 2 tan alpha by 2 becomes minus 2 tan alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2 into this terms is equal to 1 into this, that is a plus tan alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2 into this becomes minus tan cube alpha by 2. Clear this? Similarly, second row first column, minus tan alpha by 2 into this becomes minus tan alpha by 2 minus minus plus tan cube alpha by 2. Clear this? Tan alpha by 2 with these terms we get this, but 1 into this become plus 2 tan alpha by 2. So plus 2 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 becomes plus tan alpha by 2. Now minus tan alpha by 2 into this becomes minus minus plus 2 tan alpha by 2 tan alpha by 2. So 2 tan square alpha by 2. And 1 into this, that is a plus 1 minus tan square alpha by 2. Clear this? So is equal to, now simplify this, 1 upon sec square alpha by 2. Here 1 plus tan square becomes a sec square alpha by 2 minus 2 tan alpha by 2 plus tan square alpha by 2 becomes minus tan alpha by 2. Minus tan alpha by 2 take common, so in a bracket remaining terms becomes 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, and this becomes a sec square alpha by 2. Clear? Similarly, tan alpha by 2 take common, so tan alpha by 2 into 1 plus tan square becomes sec square alpha by 2. Here 2 tan square alpha by 2 minus tan square alpha by 2 becomes 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, that is a sec square alpha by 2. Clear this? So is equal to, now sec square alpha by 2 take outside, sec square alpha by 2 upon sec square alpha by 2 into bracket, here become 1, here becomes minus tan alpha by 2, here becomes tan alpha by 2, here becomes a 1. Clear this? So is equal to, these two terms cancel. Now write this into addition of 1 0 0 1 and here 0 minus tan alpha by 2, here tan alpha by 2 and 0. Clear? So this is the matrix I, identity matrix, plus this is the matrix A. Clear this? So I plus A is equal to this left hand side, LHS. Important question. A trust fund has 30,000 30,000 that must be invested into two different type of bonds. The first bond pay 5% interest per year and the second bond pay 7% interest per year. Using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide 30,000 among the two type of bond. A. The trust fund must obtain an annual total interest A is equal to given 1800 and the B is equal to 2000. Here we want to divide total amount of 30,000 into two parts in such a way that one parts invest in a 5% bonds and the second parts invest in a 7% bond. So first let trust invest X rupees in 5% interest bond. Clear? And remaining amount, that is the 30,000 minus X, invest in 7% bonds. Clear this? Here rate percent given 5% and 7. So change into matrix multiplication. X invest in 5%, 5% and 30,000 minus X in a 7%. So we get a total interest 1800. Take a matrix multiplication of these two, compare with 1800, we get value of X. From X we get a second investment 30,000 minus X. Here 5%, that is 5 upon 100, 7%, that is 7 upon 100. Clear? Just try to solve this yourself and get investment in both 5% and in the 7%. Similarly, in place of 1800 replacing by 2, we get a second investment. Same question number 20, you are able to solve this yourself. 21 and 22 complete yourself. In the next lecture we discuss about some more important topics. In this our lecture, important questions are question number 16 and question number 18. 18 is a very most important question. So understand both the solution and keep in your mind. Okay, bye.